super ill trick.
Look, it's getting hot in this bitch. Whoa, hot in this bitch. Go.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And I got your favorites.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Tyler P, you know what I'm saying? And I'm sleepy. And
We're really tired. What time is it? Let's tell them what time it is. Should we or should
you
we
locked
not?
my phones up.
Oh, I did. I hit both his phones because he was just on his phone all night and I just couldn't handle it. But it is like 3 in the morning. 2 in the morning. Let me see. It's
3:31.
3:31.
3:31.
It's 3:31 in the morning, and as you can tell by the title, I'm about to be cooking him some food, and he's going to basically test it, try it. He's never tried my cooking. If y'all been following me since day one, y'all know that I love to cook. Cooking is like my favorite thing to do. Cooking and cleaning, I love to do. I'm about to cook you some food.
All right, Billy.
Share with them like your diet.
Okay, so if y'all don't know, I was a vegan for 3 years. Well, plant-based vegan, and I recently became pescatarian a few months ago. So yeah, I still follow the plant-based diet and everything. I just incorporated shrimp and salmon, you know, so pretty much saying just eat shrimp and salmon now.
He only eat fish, so therefore
not all fish. Oh, and I started back eating crawfish. Love crawfish too, man. Real Louisiana shit. Yeah,
you eat that salmon tonight.
Yeah, I mean that's salmon. Yeah, duh, I love salmon. You know, so
maybe him some salmon, mashed potatoes, and asparagus.
Ooh, I love it. Honey, we got some honey.
You want honey on it? You gotta show me how to do that.
Yeah, like we have honey. Bet. Let's get it.
I got honey.
All right, bet.
Right here.
So you could do it how you want, and when you like after you like season and everything, and like before you get it put it in the oven, like you can put the honey like on it.
On it before I cook it.
Yeah, like before you put it in the oven.
He want honey salmon. I was gonna cook my lemon garlic butter salmon, but
yeah, you could do that, but add the honey on it.
okay. We can do that. Bet. So I'm gonna preheat. I cook mine with butter.
That's cool. Wait, do you want me getting the lights?
Okay. So first things first, I'm going to use butter. And by the way, y'all, I got on shorts. Can you see that?
She got on shorts. Yeah, she's not wearing thongs or panties for me, guys. She does have on athletic wear.
Anyways, and when it comes to the honey, you doing that part.
I'm doing a lot.
I like a lot of butter.
Hey, do your thing. Look. Do your thing. I ain't judging until it comes to the taste.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Until it comes to the taste. It's gonna taste good regardless.
I know it's gonna taste good.
Regardless.
It's you.
And I'm cooking it. So y'all gotta clean your salmon. For real. I clean your fish.
Oh, you got them good salmon. Hold on, let me zoom in on it.
Yeah.
That's them good ones. When they look like that, you know it's good. Okay, you may know a little something.
What you mean a little something? I know a lot of something.
You may know
better
a
ask
little
about me.
something.
They know, like my fans and stuff know that I don't like touching shrimp.
Supporters. Yeah, you don't. That's disrespectful to call people fans.
Really? No, it's not.
Well, it's not disrespectful. I just don't call people fans because I like for people to feel like, you know, like important and stuff.
I apologize. I really don't call them that. I call them my K-Dogs and Kins.
Oh, yeah.
And you was laughing at that. But anyway.
I really wasn't, though.
My K-Dogs and Kins know that I don't like touching raw stuff with my bare hands. I always wear gloves. What? You know what? You know what?
Hey, that's like,
you know what?
Like, I'm just the funniest, right?
You just too much. You too much. Like.
Oh my God, that was funny. Come on, like I just like, come on, like you gotta laugh at that one. That was you gotta do my laugh. Do it. Oh my God.
Okay, so.
I think it's finna stop.
Oh, I just feel so sick. Oh my God.
Oh,
okay.
God. Salmon is clean, guys.
Salmon is clean. I'm sorry, y'all, but I don't know what it is. My nose is like really sensitive right now. I smelled this garlic and I want to throw up. That usually never happens to me, so I don't know what the fuck going on. But I don't know.
I zoomed in on the garlic.
What?
Because stay away from that garlic. I don't know what's wrong with it.
I always cook with this garlic. I just cooked with it 2 days ago, and all of a sudden I feel like I have to throw up when I smelt it.
Oh, nah, I ain't finna do that. I don't think it's the chips. Nah, it's not the chips.
You think so?
Nah, I mean, that's your first time having them, right?
Yes.
Maybe your stomach's sensitive to them. Okay, she seasoned it with
Old
that
Bay
Old
seasoning.
Bay. Old Bay. Had to get rid of my new Bay and go back to my Old Bay, you heard me? I'm playing.
You stupid.
Oh, Lord. Hey, ain't that sort of like how our situation is? Kidding.
Who your Old Bay?
You the Old Bay.
I'm not your Old Bay. So I seasoned it with this, pepper. I like spicy food.
Wait, when I'm getting this, you want me to record you or like get like
Both.
all right.
I like my food spicy, y'all. So
Okay, let me see that seasoning right there. I like that. Is that the you could put that on the pizza as well?
Yeah.
That okay, I love that. I love that.
You being so dramatic.
Okay. What you talking about, man? I be eating
I
that.
love
What you
that, I
talking
love
about?
that.
Man, come on now.
Gotta have y'all know I'm Creole. You gotta have Creole seasoning.
She swear to God, she Creole. She swear to God. She swear to God.
So got to. I don't know, I season mine by flipping it back and forth, so
Oh no, I do the same thing. Do your
I don't
thing.
know how to cook.
I don't know how to cook.
You don't know how to cook, no.
I don't know how to cook.
No,
Bet it up.
No.
I'll cook for you.
I'm making a mess right now. You gonna cook for me?
Yeah. Oh, look, she got real happy. Look, she got real
cook for me.
she got happy. She got happy.
I never had a man cook for me before.
Exactly. You have a man. Now let's get back to this. I got you though. You can cut that out too. But
What you gonna cook me? Some noodles?
damn, that's so stereotypical of you. Like, I'm a black man and you come at me talking about some noodles.
Yeah.
Like, did you know that I wanted to be a chef?
Really?
Yes, like real talk. I wanted to be a chef. Yeah. I call my mom, my sisters right now. I throw down in the kitchen. I really be
You want to be a chef for real?
Hell yeah. I want, the Lord blessed me with plenty of talent. I'm a man of all trades. They really call me the Renaissance man. Like real talk. Yeah, you ain't heard of them in a long time. You probably ain't never heard of that before.
I never heard of that.
Yeah, I know you did. You ain't pay attention to school.
Don't do me.
Yeah.
Anyways, y'all, I'm putting lemon on it. So when you want to put the honey on it?
Whenever, do you put aluminum foil down when you, hey, I'm asking.
No, I'm listening. Like,
Oh.
like I never did that before. Like,
Yeah, like, so when I put mine in the oven, I put it in a separate.
Wait, the oven?
You cook yours in the skillet, yeah. Like I bake mine in the oven, yeah.
Oh,
with
really?
Yeah, like see, so many ways you can do it, you know. But if you doing it like that, you can actually just put it on, like you done seasoning it.
Let's put 2 in the oven, 2 on the stove.
I mean, you sure you want to do it like that? Cause I just want to try your, I want to try your way.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
way.
we're gonna do your way.
My way.
Your way is quicker.
You got Tyler P?
Yeah, that's me, you know.
So you gonna put the honey on it first?
Yeah, you done
Raw?
seasoning everything, right?
Yeah,
you
come
put the
this
honey
way.
on there. All right. Yeah, so you put the honey on there. That sweet and spicy gonna like give it that like kick. I promise.
Look at him.
Yeah.
Doing it all neat.
Yeah, no, so I'm a neat guy. You know what I'm saying? What that boy baby said, do want to show off on my drip, put my chains and layers.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Yeah, that is gonna be good.
Oh.
Put a little more.
Oh.
All right, damn.
On top of some mashed potatoes. I wish I had some baby spinach.
Yeah, with the asparagus and stuff. But
Yes.
that's not,
You think I seasoned it good?
nah, it looks wonderful. Look, hold on. It looks so amazing. Like, the flavor.
You annoying.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You get like, you know, the flavor. It gives that, it's sweet, it's spicy, and
It's amazing.
just like, oh my God, you're doing too much, man.
Okay, put it on the stove.
Oh, you want me to do it?
You want me to do it? Well, you know, I cooked it before. But not with all this honey. Okay, y'all, so the salmon is cooking. I forgot to add to the video, when I'm cooking my salmon on the stove, I like to put slits in it so it cooks all the way through. And it don't take so long, because I'm impatient. So,
Learn something new every day.
ooh, this quality is bomb. Like,
Really?
yes. It's good.
Okay.
It's good.
I zoomed in.
Tyler is a terrible videographer. Like,
How? You want me to be all in your face?
you so used to people taking pictures of you.
I know, right?
Look, doesn't that look good?
It does. Looks beautiful.
I feel like you need some more honey though.
Yeah, of course, always. Like,
Ooh, the skin came on.
it's all
I'm
good.
gonna put some more butter.
Like, you should do it. You could put some more. Hold on, finish yawning. 3, 2. Let's finish yawning, but
more butter.
put some butter in there, and you could put some more honey in there. But like after it, like after you finish, like you could put like some more in there. You see that? Do you see the orange?
Okay, so while that's doing that, I'm finna show you how I make my asparagus. Tyler likes his in the what you say?
Oven.
The oven.
Like with the aluminum foil.
Yeah.
You know. I mean, but that's how I cook it. I want to see how you do it. I take an inch off the bottom.
Yes, I do that too.
Okay. All right.
I don't wash it. You don't wash it apparently. So.
Just because I ain't say, I don't even hear that. That's crazy.
Gotta wash it.
She got that Germex back there, y'all. You know, she's being safe.
Of course. So, I'm teaching you. You have to cut yourself.
Okay. All right, Mom. All right, Mom.
You didn't know about that.
And if you did know, these, the ones you bought,
What?
were cut a little bit as well.
No, I don't like all that. I like them like this.
Like that? Okay.
It's perfect.
Yeah, you're right. It is.
I tried to cut all of them at once, but I'm tired.
Be careful. Do you know how to cut? Let me see if you know how to cut.
I don't.
See, you're supposed to start like.
I'm not gonna do
and
all that.
look at the update. See.
I'm not gonna do all that. Yo, get it how I cut it.
Only get in where I fit in. See
That's
that?
too many. So how you cut then?
All right, so
Like
start
this?
at the top. Yeah.
Wow. I get the same results.
You didn't even cut it right. Let me show you. You left it right handed.
I'm right-handed. What are you?
So why the hell would you cut it like? I don't know. That just threw me off. Like,
What do you? What? I don't cut like that.
you don't cut like this? Like,
No.
So damn, like, you do that. Damn, this knife is dull.
Is it?
Yeah, you good.
I was cutting
Go
with
back
it.
to the. No, gotta edit.
Okay, I can see why that throw you off, but it's still you get the same
The
results.
same result. You right, Pimp. You know what I mean?
They're done.
Yeah, they done.
We could put these in the oven actually.
Are you gonna put that? You got the aluminum foil?
Yeah. My asparagus, I like them with a little sauce. So I put a lot of butter. Oh, I taste so bad. It's not coming out. Still didn't come out.
I thought it was
Some garlic. I'm so freaking tired.
Look at that. Fucking beautiful.
Delicious. You put lemon in your asparagus?
Yeah, I see it in the same way I season my salmon.
You put honey too?
Hell yeah.
Oh, your asparagus?
Hell
No.
yeah. Man, you missing out. I promise you. I swear to God.
No.
I swear to God.
That's what we not gonna do.
I swear to God. It's good. I swear to God. Man, that looks so mother freaking good.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. My pleasure.
I'm so tired.
My God.
What?
Me too.
I'm very tired. Like, it's not even funny. Okay, y'all, I like to season my... I'm pretty sure that's the ugly ass angle.
It's really not though.
It look good?
Listen. This is coming from a person who doesn't play by his angles in pictures and all that, you know.
So it look good.
I was just holding it crazy just then, I ain't gonna lie, but now it looks good.
Don't play.
I don't.
Okay, I'm gonna let that sit.
cook for me, guys. Let's see.
Dang, can I show the plate? Dang, I couldn't show the plate.
Man, show the plate.
Dang. Salmon, the mashed potatoes, asparagus. I'm sorry, y'all. We are so tired. Like, is it good? Duh, it's damn near 5 in the morning. What time is it? Oh my God.
This is so good. Oh my God.
I put something in it.
More. What you putting?
I put something in it.
Like what? Man, I don't even
You
care.
still gonna eat it?
Hell yeah.
You feel fine? You don't feel like you gotta go to the bathroom?
Nope. Boy, what you putting up? What you putting, bro? Bro, you put something in the room?
Me and him.
He would never came out the room. What
You was
talking
asleep. Laxatives.
about? You lying.
I am a YouTuber.
I swear to God, bro.
You forgot that?
Dude.
Your stomach don't hurt?
No, bro. You ready to put something on my food?
He got you. You gonna be okay. You went to sleep. That was the
I'm
plan.
going to sleep, bro. I don't play that shit, man.
What?
I don't play that shit, man.
You're not gonna finish your food? You just gonna leave it like that?
Nope.
Tyler.
I'm going to sleep.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Dang. I'm just kidding. I was just
They
playing.
can't even enjoy their food, man, and all that, man. Like, I'd never do that to you.
I was just playing.
Oh.
I didn't put that much. To where you have to use the bathroom. You went to sleep. I was bored.
Bro, should we put something on my food?
He was in there. He was in there. I was in here by myself. Why you think I was pressing to cook for you so bad? You'll be good. It's not that much. I only put like 4. Come on, finish the food.
I'm not.
For the video. Why?
I'm ready to go to sleep.
Tyler, go finish the food. I'm just
Right.
playing with you, crybaby ass. You don't gotta finish the food if you that tired.
Man, I'm hungry, man, but you playing, talking about something.
You can't really see it. You eating like you never ate before. Okay.
Alright,
Okay, rate it 1 through 10.
15.
Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm super tired. Tyler is tired. The food it was good. It's 5 in the morning, y'all. So I'm about to go to sleep after I eat. And
I'm going to sleep right now. I'm out. I love y'all.
And y'all already know what to do. Follow me on Instagram, it's Poppy4_. Add me on Snapchat, it's Poppy1. Follow her girl on Twitter, it's Poppy KK, spelled KY. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace.